You just found the 2017 Nissan Altima. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, blind spot monitor, dual zone AC, power driver seat, tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, stability control. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.